Hello everyone. Today we will study Chapter 2 Globe Latitude and Longitude Part 3. Content of this part are longitude and time, local time, standard time and time zone. We will also see Indian Standard Time. First we will see longitude and time. The best means of measuring time is by the movement of the Earth, the Moon and the planets. The sun regularly rises and sets every day, and naturally, it is the best timekeeper throughout the world. Local time can be reckoned by the shadow cast by the sun, which is the shortest at noon and longest at sunrise and sunset. When the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday or noon. As the earth rotates from west to east, those places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time and those to the west will be behind it. The rate of difference can be calculated as follows. The earth rotates 360 degree in about 24 hours, which means 15 degree an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. See, earth completes one rotation means 360 degree of longitude in 24 hours. That means in 1 hour how many longitude crosses? 360 by 24 means 15 degree of longitude. Since 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, hence we can say 15 degree rotation is in 60 minutes. Therefore, 1 degree rotation is in 60 minutes by 15 degree means 4 minutes. Means 1 degree of longitude takes 4 minutes in crossing or reaching to the sun. Hence, we can say that time difference between two consecutive longitude is of 4 minutes. Thus, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at 15 degree east of Greenwich will be 15 into 4 is equal to 60 minutes, that is 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time, which means 1 p.m. But at 15 degree west of Greenwich, the time will be behind Greenwich time by 1 hour. That is, it will be 11 a.m. Similarly, at 180 degree, it will be midnight when it is 12 noon at Greenwich. At any places, a watch can be adjusted to read 12 o'clock when the sun is at the highest point in the sky, and that is when it is midday. The time shown by the such a watch will give the local time for that place. Means if watch is adjusted by seeing the position of sun at the highest point in the sky, so it is the local time of that place or that meridian. You can see that all the places on the given meridian of longitude have the same local time. We'll see in map. See, morning time, noon time, evening time, as well as night at the same place, how it looks. Why do we have standard time? The local time of places which are on different meridians are bound to differ. For example, it will be difficult to prepare a timetable for trains which cross several longitudes. In India, for instance, there will be a difference of about 1 hour 45 minutes in the local time of Dwarka in Gujarat and Dibrugarh in Assam. It is therefore necessary to adopt the local time of some central meridian of a country as the standard time for the country. In India, the longitude of 82 and half degree east means 82 degree 30 minute east is treated as the standard meridian. It means local time at this meridian is taken as the standard time for the whole country, known as Indian Standard Time or IST, and 82 and half degree east meridian is known as Indian Standard Meridian. Whole world is divided into 24 time zones at the interval of 15 degree of longitude. This is international date line, means to the east and west of it time difference is of 24 hours. If we move from west to east of it, of this international date line, so the time will decrease, means 1 day back, we will go to 1 day back. Or if we move from east to west of this international date line, to 1 day will increase. Now we will compare Indian Standard Time with Greenwich Mean Time. Kabir lives in a small town near Bhopal. He tells his friend Alok that they will not be able to sleep tonight. A day and night cricket match between India and England had started at 2 p.m. in London. This means that the match would begin at 7:30 p.m. in India and finish well into the night. So do you know what is the time difference between India and England? India is located east of Greenwich at 82 degree 30 minute east, means 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time, GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. So it will be 7:30 p.m. in India when it is 2 p.m. noon in London. Some countries have a great longitudinal extent and so they have adopted more than one standard time. For example, in Russia, there are as many as 11 standard times. The earth has been divided into 24 time zones of 1 hour each. Each zone thus covers 15 degree of longitude. See the time difference between Greenwich Mean Time and Indian Standard Time. When it is 8:30 am morning in Greenwich, London, so it is 2 p.m. means 5 hour 30 minute ahead in India. Now the chapter is over. Thank you.